Welcome to our channel One Step, and in today's video I will teach you guys how you guys can create a Genshin Impact account on your mobile phone. Now in order to do this you need to download Genshin Impact on your phone. So Genshin Impact is only available for iOS, so for Android user you can only play it on PC. So I have an iOS, so I have already downloaded Genshin Impact. If you don't know how to do that, you can watch our video on how to download Genshin Impact on your phone. So after you download it, just click on open it. Now before moving forward from over here, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit that subscribe to our channel with notification on. Let's move on. Now once you open Genshin Impact, it's going to bring you over here. Now once you're over here, at the bottom you can see the register now option. Now if you have an account you can log in from over here, but we don't, so we are just going to click on register now. Once you do that, it's going to take you to the page from where you guys can create an account. Over here, enter your email. So I'm going to enter my mail over here. Now once you enter your mail, click on send code. Once you do that, a verification code is going to be sent to your mail. So in my case, on my onetostep69@gmail.com, a verification code will be sent. Now before the code is sent, I need to complete this human verification thing. So I'm going to do that. In your screen as well, it's going to show you human verification. Do that. Click on OK. Once the verification is complete, go to your mail and check the code. So I've checked my mail and this is the code they send me. So check your mail and type the code they send you. Then at the bottom where it says 8 to 30 characters, create a password for your account. Once you create a password for your account, scroll a bit down and enter the password again to confirm it. And once you enter your password, click on I have read and agreed to its terms and service. Once you tick mark this, click on register. An account under this password and this email will be created. That's how you guys can create a Genshin Impact account on your phone. Hit that subscribe to our channel One Step, and bye bye.